अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का, जिन्होंने फ़लस्तीनी रियासत तस्लीम करना हमास के लिए एक इनाम करार दे दिया। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की जनरल असम्बली से खिताब के दौरान अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा कि हमास ने अमन की कई काबिल अमल पेशकशें मुस्तरद कर दी।
अमरीकी सदर ने कहा कि हमास के मुतालबात पूरे करने के बजाय यरगमाली रिहा करने का मुतालबा किया जाए। आलमी रहनुमाओं को पेशकश की कि अगर गजा में अमन चाहते हैं तो यरगमालियों की रिहाई की हिमायत करें।
As everyone knows, I have also been deeply engaged in seeking a ceasefire in Gaza. Have to get that done. Have to get it done. Unfortunately, Hamas has repeatedly rejected reasonable offers to make peace. We can't forget October 7th, can we? Now, as if to encourage continued conflict, some of this body is seeking to unilaterally recognize a Palestinian state. The rewards would be too great for Hamas terrorists for their atrocities. This would be a reward for these horrible atrocities, including October 7th, even while they refuse to release the hostages or accept a ceasefire. Instead of giving to Hamas and giving so much, because they have taken so much, this could have been solved so long ago. But instead of giving in to Hamas's ransom demands, those who want peace should be united with one message: release the hostages now. Just release the hostages now.